Hi everyone! Welcome back to Youthful Minds. I'm Belle, and today we're making stress balls. Stick around to the end and we'll share some ways you can use your stress ball as a coping skill. Let's get started! To make the stress ball, you will need conditioner. And don't steal your mom's Good Shea Moisture conditioner from her hair drawer. All you need is cheap conditioner from the dollar store. You will also need cornstarch and balloons. You will also need a mixing bowl and a measuring cup. First, you're going to put a cup of cornstarch into a mixing bowl. And then a cup of conditioner. And then mix it all together until you get like a dough, like Play-Doh. If it's too sticky, add more cornstarch. And if it's too dry, add more conditioner. When you get the consistency you want, roll it into a ball. You might need an extra person for this next step. Have your helper open up the balloon while you stuff the putty inside. And then tie it up. You can also use 2 balloons if you want the extra durability. Now you got yourself a stress ball. Stress balls are great tools to put into your coping box. If you get angry, you can use the stress ball to clench or pull to release tension in your body. Or maybe you have the tendency to fidget during class. Stress balls can help you concentrate, improve your alertness, and help you perform better. They also have a great calming effect and can be used as a great distraction from something that's making you upset or anxious. Thanks for tuning in this week. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you later.